Hi, I just wanted to talk about these zinnias. They're California Giant Zinnias. I've got them planted on the end of my porch, and I just reserve this bed every year for zinnias. Last year, the bees love them too. Last year, I planted them really thick, and they were spectacular, but they got powdery mildew after it started getting really hot. But this year I planted them a little further apart so they wouldn't do that, hopefully, fingers crossed. They're just beautiful. Seeds I plant are all different colors, and I love to put them in vases. I love to take them to a friend. I stick them in a mason jar and take them to friends. I just put them around in the house, and they make me so happy. They're so cheery.